Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your axe in 90 Nights in the Forest. So if you're just starting out and look for the faster ways to level up your tools, you can see on the second day, you'll see this info where the pelt trader has arrived. So pelt trader is an NPC in 90 Nights in the Forest that will let you to trade animal pelts for items including axes. So if you want to upgrade here, what you need to do is just bring the bunny food into the pelt trader. So you need to kill the bunny first, and after that you can bring it into the pelt trader, and you can choose between if you want to, you can change the benefit into axe or good axe or flashlight. So I suggest you to choose between good axe or good axe. If you want good axe, you can just click on these options, and just like that, now your axe has been upgraded. So this tutorial I hope will help you boost your survival game. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.